As the thumbnail says, a letter of apology and a free gift from Festool. To set the context, I'll put a link up above and down below to a video I recorded about my Kapex chop saw going back to Festool for the recall and retrofit to sort a wee problem they'd discovered. My saw didn't display any of the problems that the retrofit solved. However, I felt it best to send it back anyway. So Festool have acknowledged the fact there was a problem, and they've also stated that they accept responsibility for the problem, whether it was actually their fault or not. There were definitely other factors at play here with COVID and Brexit and fuel shortages and lorry driver shortages and on and on and on. However, Festool have accepted responsibility for it. Festool have apologised for it and have also sent out a free gift with it as well to redeem themselves in the eyes of their customers. In my opinion, a problem in today's marketplace is an opportunity for a company to demonstrate their worth over and above their competitors. And I think purely by accepting this problem and apologising, they've done that. But to send out something as well, and something that's of particularly high value, to buy this product would cost me £86 from Axminster Tools. So I'm really made up. The lack of my chop saw in my workshop initially caused me some frustrations and the need to think of different ways to approach the different jobs that I wanted to do, but it didn't cause me to lose any orders. So if any owners of the chop saw had experienced those problems, they will probably feel a little differently about it. But for me, I'm absolutely over the moon. An apology and a free gift. So thank you, Festool. You've redeemed yourself in my eyes. What do you think? Thanks for watching. See you next time. Ta-ra.